MKBeauties. Hello MKBeauties. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Melanie, the creator and owner of Majestic Knowing Beauty. As you can tell by the title of today's video, we are talking about trash it or stash it. Let's go ahead and do a round robin of my look today. Let's go ahead and address the elephant in the room, my hair. Did I straighten my hair? Technically, yes, I straightened my hair, but I am still 100% all natural. The curls will come back. I just did a little press as well as a little snippet, a little cut. So this is what my hair looks like. Yes. Yes, I did go very low in the back. I did do a nice little fade in the back, something that I have been wanting for a very long time. However, I just could not really find the person to do it as exquisitely that I liked. However, I found my girl. She executed and I love it. But yes, so this is the look. Take your attention away off of the hair. It is gorgeous. However, I'm here to speak to you in regards to stash or trash it. Let's go. All right, when it comes to stash or trash it, I am simply speaking of cosmetic items, whether that's your skincare, your beauty products, all things beauty. You guys know that's what I love. So I am strictly talking about your products for skincare and body care. Products that you may need to trash or that you can go ahead and stash and re-up on. But let me dive a little deeper into what it is that I'm saying. Most of your products do come with an expiration date. They come with a shelf life and they also come with a use life, meaning the length of time that you can use a product. So just to give you some more context in regards to using products that you may have and double checking products that you have, go ahead and take a look at some of the products that you currently have and see what the expiration date is. Most of the time, you will have products that have a little container on the back with the lid open. It will have a number as well as the letter M. That indicates the month, like the length of time, 12 months, 6 months, 24 months, that you can actually have a product in your possession and use for that length of time. What exactly am I stating here is whenever you have products, here I'm showing you multiple products that I have here that have dates indicating 12 months. So let's just talk about the length of time that you actually should have products and when they expire. Liquid and cream foundation expires after 2 years. Concealer, 2 years. Powder, 2 years. Mascara, 6 months. Liquid lipstick, 12 to 18 months. Lip and eye pencils, 12 to 18 months. Powder and cream blush, 2 years. Moisturizer, 2 years. Eye cream, 6 months. Sunscreen, 2 years. Face cream, 2 years. Did any of that shock you? What about mascara? Mascara for 6 months. How long do you keep your mascara? Leave a comment below and letting me know what's the extended time frame that you typically will keep your mascara. Is it 6 months or less, or is it 6 months or more? The reason why you want to make sure you are using products that are within the time frame is because you do not want to use old expired products. You do not want to get any type of reaction to products, to expired products. You don't want to develop any type of reforce by using products. You don't want to, continue to use products that may be cross-contaminated or have bacteria in them. Now, let's talk about cross-contamination. So let's say you have a product and one of your friends say, hey, I like that lipstick, let me try it. Or that lip gloss, let me try it. Now, me personally, I would not do this because once I personally have a product and I'm using it, I do not like to share because my skin is very sensitive. So always making sure I speak to, the sensitivity of using products and not cross-contaminating. But for this example, let's just say you have a friend and they compliment you on a particular lip product and you say, oh, here, you can try it. Because, quite naturally, it happens. It has happened before, especially like in high school, college days. But now that I'm wiser, I know better. Any rate, you have a product that you allow your friend to try, to sample, to use, and they use the same applicator that's inside of the lip gloss. That is now cross-contamination because that applicator has now been used on you as well as your friend. that is a no-no. So you want to make sure you are not cross-contaminating your products. Also, when it comes to mascara, you want to make sure you are not pumping air into your wand. Let me show you. All right, so you want to make sure you are not pumping air into your wand. So for example, if you take this out of the tube and you use it, air is already hitting inside of this tube. Air is entering in this tube. There's no way for us to block that. That's just science. That's gravity, right? Whenever you are using your mascara and you apply and then you go back in to reapply, please make sure you are not putting this applicator back in, your wand back in, and you are pumping, because that's going to have you dry out your mascara well before the 6 months before it is time to purchase a new mascara. You also want to make sure you are not sharing the same wand whenever you are applying mascara with sister, mother, friend, whomever you are allowing to use your product. It's just sanitary. It's just safe that you don't do that. But again, you want to make sure you are not pumping air into the mascara, because that's going to cause your mascara to dry out way sooner than need be. So that was just a quick little tad bit of information that I wanted to share with you in regards to stash or trash it. So I have some products that I actually need to trash, as well as some products that I can go ahead and stash a little longer in my kit, as well as for my personal use. But I wanted to share with you that this is the perfect time now, as we get ready to transition into the new season, fall and winter, to take inventory of your products. Take a look at what products you currently have, what the expiration date is, and see if there's something that is past the time frame, the expiration date, where you need to go ahead and trash it. Ulta right now has 21 days of beauty sale going on. That is the prime time to restock and purchase products, as well as try new products. If you are not familiar with Ulta 21 days of beauty sale, every day for the next 21 days, they have different products that are available for purchase at half off the retail price. This is where I purchased my gua sha that I use so faithfully, where I have tried a lot of new products, and they have great quality products. Not just products as far as like cosmetics products, but they have products for your hair. They have hair care products. They have body products. They actually have tools. Today they have a teeth whitening tool that is available. I want to say the retail price was like $1.99, and today it's at half off. Prime time to purchase items and try them and see how they work, see how you like them. Now is the time to take inventory and see what is it that you have in your kit or in your possession that you need to trash or stash. I hope this quick little introductory into product knowledge, as far as the time frame to keep products in their use, that you actually take inventory to see what products that you have and what you can do away with. This is the prime time. Prime time, I'm telling you. All right, if you have stayed to the end of this video and you found anything that I have shared to be like an aha moment, or anything that you find very interesting, please comment, like, and subscribe to all the other things that the other YouTubers tell you to do. I would love to hear from you. There's no judging here, so if you've used something for an extended period of time that you possibly learned today that you should only keep probably for a max of 2 years or maybe even 6 months, 12 to 18 months, by all means, please comment below and just let me know that you learned something and that you will take inventory of items that you have. You will do better, because you want to make sure you are protecting your canvas. This is our canvas, y'all. We got to protect it. And if we're not protecting our canvas and we're putting cosmetics on top of a canvas that is rough and rigid, we're not doing it any justice. So definitely take care of your canvas and make sure you are using tools and ingredients that are properly designed for the extended time that you are supposed to have them in your possession. That was a lot. I know it was a lot. Woo, girl. At any rate, thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. As I did state, I will speak to you again Friday, 7 o'clock p.m. That seems to be my daily upload time. So just continue to look for more videos every Friday at 7 p.m. Who knows? Sometimes I may just throw in an extra video one day out of the week just as a bonus video. But go ahead, please like, comment, and subscribe to all the other things that the other YouTubers tell you to do. And I will speak to you next Friday, 7 p.m. Now, I cannot leave without reminding you of Psalms 139. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. Marvelous are his works. I'll see you next time in MK Beauty. MK Beauty.